Hello everyone. In today's tutorial we are going to show you how to plot a graph in Excel, or rather how to format a graph in Excel. So we have plotted this graph by taking values of the X and Y axis. Now we will format it accordingly. Now for formatting this graph we select the X axis part and go to format axis, where we give the minimum and the maximum values for the X axis. Now the graph looks somewhat acceptable. Similarly, in the Y axis we will be changing the starting point and we'll making it at 0, and followed by the maximum one, which will be kept as default. Now we have to change the color of the line, and we have to go to the line color, select black and make it 2. The width should be 2. And similarly we will change the Y axis part, making the black color and changing the line width to 2. And we then can omit these grids. If you want to keep grid, you can keep a grid, but it is not required. And after that we have to activate the tick labels, that is the major tick marks out here in both the Y and the X axis. If you need minor tick marks, you can put it there. Then these are certain ornamentation, or rather requirements, which you have to adjust out here in this graph. One of the important thing is changing the font size and the type of font. Now we have changed it to Arial, and the font size should be around 16 to 18. And it should be made bold, and black. Remember to keep it bold and black. Now after you have changed the font style, you can play with the line width of the plot. So here I am adjusting it to 1 line width. You can change it accordingly as you prefer, and it can vary depending upon the type of graph. So here we have adjusted the line width, and also the X and the Y axis. Now the important thing is we have to put the name on the X and Y axis. Now for the axis title, we have to go to design, and out here we can put the axis title. So this is initially we can give the horizontal axis title. So as per the requirement of the graph, you can give the name of the axis title. And similarly we will give the axis title for the X axis. Please remember that the font size should be made to 16 or 18 in Microsoft Excel, and you can keep it in Arial for all the font. Make sure that the type of font is uniform in the graph. Now you can see the graph appears somewhat acceptable. However, as compared to the previous graph where the values on the X and Y axis can't be properly seen, here you can actually clearly see the X and Y axis values out here, and the graph is well acceptable. So in this way you can properly plot a graph in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching this tutorial. This tutorial will be required for our next video, where we will show how to extract this graph in a high resolution format and use it in any research article. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like this video, and also remember to subscribe to this channel. See you once again in our next tutorial.